Do you want to succeed in the luxury mobile massage market? Do you provide massage services to affluent communities and upscale neighborhoods? Well, this video is for you. In this video, I will be showing you my mobile massage kit and how to set up a massage table for your clients. This setup is designed for the luxury market, and if you follow these suggestions, your clients will have a really good first impression of you, your professionalism, and your commitment to quality. I will provide links to all the pieces of my kit in the description below, so be sure to check those out if you're interested. As a bonus, I'm going to teach you a little something special at the very end of the video, so stick around. I'm currently using a Earthlight massage table and carrying case, which is just behind me here. It sits on top of an aluminum trolley or cart, specifically designed for massage tables. I found that on Amazon.com. It's by far my favorite massage trolley that I've ever used. It sits right on top of there. It's light enough that if you have to carry the table up or down stairs, it's no big deal. And yet the wheels move magically as well. And then inside the massage table carrying case, there's also a large pocket there up front. You can fit anything you want in that bag. I personally put the face cradle and face cradle holder in there, as well as the Thermosphere moist heating pack that I like to carry with me. It's an electric heating pack, but it fits nicely right in that pocket as well. This is a large wheeled duffel. It's large enough to carry the massage bolster and the table warmer, and that's why I chose one this large, as I wanted to be able to fit everything inside one big bag. You will notice when I open the bag that I have a lot of the linens all separated out inside of garbage bags. I do this for sanitation reasons. I never want any dirty linens to touch anywhere inside of that bag. And let's go ahead and take a look inside this large duffel bag. So first I have the bolster. That's the Comfort bolster. It's an Earthlight bolster. It's plush and premium, very nice. So here's everything inside the garbage bags. As I mentioned, this is going to be the table warmer. It's a plush table warmer, so it has a nice thickness to it. Here's going to be my 3 large bath sheets, towels, and the hand towels, all inside this bag. These are my linens, my actual sheets set. So there's a flat sheet, fitted sheet, and face cradle cover in here. This is going to be a protective layer, which is very nice in the COVID world. You can just wipe this down clean with your cleaning products, and this goes directly underneath the sheets that your client lays on top of the other things to protect the table. It also helps with longevity of your tools and products, as well as your table. There is a cover for the table in this bag, as well as for the face cradle. This is my Earthlight Premium Microfiber Blanket. Very nice, highly recommended. Extra shed of sheets, because you never know. I always recommend bringing an extension cord with you. You never know if an outlet's going to be far away from where your client would like you to set up. And then this is a phone charger. This charging box happens to have several options there, which is always good in case you need to charge your portable speakers as well. If you're having a long day, you never know what the battery life is like on that portable speaker. This is a speaker I use. It's small but mighty. Love it a lot. And this is the percussion instrument that is my go-to choice, and it is a Hypervolt. And Hypervolt is definitely used by the pros and for the pros. This is an older model plus, but still love it and highly recommended to use for your clients if you're venturing into percussion tools. Inside of this box, I have all of the things that could be messy in case there's any accidental spills. I don't want any accidental spills. And so inside a little Starlight box, I will have Ziploc bags, also separating items. So the massage oils, creams, muscle balms, any other enhancement products you might use. I also keep cups in here because I like to do cupping in my practice. Also some hand soap. You just never know if your client's going to have soap that you like. And then a travel clock as well. Those are important and necessary to to be able to hold and tell the time. And that all goes securely inside of that little Sterilite box. And then for cleaning purposes, I have my gloves, the cleaning wipes, a set of paper towels, and there you go. So that's what's inside this large bag. At the end of the treatment, everything goes back inside the container that it came in once they're dirty. And so these will now be soiled and dirty. I'll just fit them right back in that bag to take home. These will get wiped down, dried, and clean. These will be dirty, also ready to take to the laundry. Here's the table warmer, packed up nicely. This is the phone charger and extension cord, the portable speaker set, the percussion tool, and then my massage bolster. Again, wiped down and sanitized and clean. All packed up, ready to go. And there you have it. Here's an example of what the final table setup can look like once you're ready to welcome the client back into the space and begin the consultation. Now let's go back and show you how we got here. I want to quickly walk through a step-by-step guide of setting up the massage table with the items that I bring in the Massage Mobile Kit. Now the first layer you see here is the table warmer. I do use a plush table warmer to add comfort and a luxury feel for the client. The next layer on top of this is going to be 2 large bath sheet sized towels. These towels do add a layer of comfort as well, but more importantly, they're there to protect the massage table and the plush table warmer itself. The next layer is the most important protective layer of the whole setup, and that is the protective layer sheet set. There's a fitted sheet in this set as well as a face cradle cover. This is a washable, waterproof, easy to disinfect in between each client set. Highly recommended. It is so vitally important to make sure that we are cleaning and disinfecting in between each client. The next important layer is the premium sheet set. I use a fitted sheet, a flat sheet, and a face cradle cover. It is important to make sure that you're investing in premium quality sheet sets for your clients. The luxury community does have high expectations, and they like to use things that feel good, look clean, and smell nice as well. So make sure that you're invested in that properly. The next layer is going to be 1 more large bath sheet sized towel. This towel is here to add a layer of comfort and warmth for the client. Following that, we're going to put the massage blanket right on top of that towel. This blanket is important. It adds a layer of professionalism. The overall ending look of your setup is important. So making sure you have clean lines, a beautiful blanket, and then your product display to finish everything off. And after this, you're ready to welcome your client back into the space and begin the consultation. Let's go back for a quick recap. And we have the table warmer, 2 bath sheets on top of the table warmer for protection and added comfort, a protective layer, then the linens that your client will lay on top of. That's a fitted sheet, followed by a flat sheet, followed by a towel, a bath sheet size towel, followed by your blanket. As promised, here's the bonus tip for today's video, and that is packing up your massage table and getting that carrying case back on top of it. So in this case, I'm going to teach you how to put the bag on the table instead of the table inside of the bag, if you know what I mean. Here we go. The first thing you want to do is put the table down, bottom facing up, so that the bag can sit on top of this table. Okay, make sure the latches are latched. And you're gonna hold on to your bag and just pull that bag right over the top of the table, just like that. Then you're going to zipper those zippers down as far as they'll go. Once you've done that, you just roll the table up. Keep using that zipper, and voila. Table in bag, ready to go. Thank you so much for watching today. We're excited about our upcoming videos, so be sure to check in with us soon for more content to help you on your wellness journey. Remember to like and subscribe as well. Stay healthy, stay strong, and I'll see you next time.